First off, if you notice that I'm talking with a little bit of a lisp, it's because I have Invisalign in now because apparently my jaw is massively fucked up. So recently I was so lucky to get my hands on one of my dream bags, and it's like perfect timing to, you know, show you guys like what's in my bag. But before that, YesStyle is actually sponsoring this video because this month is their 15th anniversary. So they sent me like a little 15th anniversary present box, which I'm gonna open with you guys while I talk about, you know, some of the fun things that they're doing this month. So actually in here are like the little tickets for like the giveaway that they're doing. So there are going to be several winners, which is super awesome. The first winner is going to get 15 times of free shipping for the entire year. And for the second prize, there's going to be 2 winners, and each of those 2 winners are going to win $150 to shop on YesStyle, which is also super fun. And also for everyone else to enjoy for the next 2 days, I'm going to have a special code with them that's going to give you 15% off, and that's going to be valid for the next 48 hours. So everyone gets, you know, a little bit of something. All right, let's see what's in here. I've got some special like mini lipsticks, which is really fun. This is the Shake and Shot from Dr. Jart. Let's see. Oh my god. Okay, so it's a cocktail mask. So you like take all of this stuff and you mix it and you shake it like in this little cup, and then you apply it on your face. Oh my god, I got a powder brush, but it's in the shape of a puppy paw? Stop, get out of here. Oh my god. I'm so glad that I didn't open this beforehand because like, I'm genuinely like so excited. It's a freaking puppy paw, shut up. Oh my god, no, this is too cute. I almost don't even want to use this because it's so cute. It's a toilet deodorizer, and it's one of their most reviewed and useful lifestyle products over the 15 years. Oh my god, it smells so good. Okay. Oh my god, this is so soft. Aw, it's matching couple t-shirts. This one is daytime and this one is nighttime. Aw. Thank you to YesStyle for sponsoring this video, and also thank you for inviting me to celebrate your 15th anniversary. All right, so with that, let's talk about my baggies. I'm gonna talk about 2 of my new daily bags in this video. Oh my gosh, okay, so here she is, the amazing nylon re-edition bag from Prada in pink. There's a lot of times where I'm kind of just on the go and my outfits are really casual and I'm wearing like jeans and like Vans to go skateboarding. So my lifestyle has changed recently where I needed a more casual bag, and so I was like, okay, I need the nylon bag from Prada. And I was searching for it and it was sold out, and I was in Vegas like a couple of weeks ago and I was so lucky that they were able to find one. It was the last one in the entire country, and they were able to get it for me and order it to my house. There's so many things that I love about this bag. Right now you can tell that like the pochette is really popular with like other brands, and it's also versatile because you can take off this strap and just wear it as like an evening shoulder bag, or you can wear it across with the strap, which I really like because it's like more casual. So this is another bag that I got when I was in Vegas. I guess I did a lot of shopping when I was in Vegas. This is the Jackie 1961 bag from Gucci. If you couldn't tell, lately purple has been my favorite color, and so I was like, all right, I've got a lot of pink bags, don't have a purple bag, and so I was kind of just like, why the fuck not? I carry this really, really often, and I also like love the hardware. It's just such a nice bag to just like throw on, and it like, you know, adds a pop of color. So what's in my bag depends on obviously what I'm doing for that day and also which bag that I'm carrying. But generally for like my day-to-day life, you know, if I have like a bag of this size, I have a couple things that are in here. So first is my wallet. This is my cute little Miu Miu wallet. If I ever lose my wallet, I have to prove to the police that it's mine. I can tell them that if they open it, there is an anime couple on the inside. Yes, it's Ash Ag on a Polaroid in the first slot of my wallet. I also have my sunglasses. These are also from Miu Miu. When it comes to having like a petite Asian frame, I feel like Miu Miu makes sunglasses that fits my face really, really well. So I definitely really love these sunglasses. I have my car keys. I'm really, really proud of how cute my car keys are. My friend Vian has an Etsy store, and We both love banana fish a lot, if you don't know already. And she did these like super adorable Ash AG keychains, and you know, like I swiped them up immediately. I have my Invisalign case because originally my kit came with the black one, and I was like, no, if I'm going to suffer and have my jaw realigned, it needs to be cute. And so I got this and I put stickers on it. On the inside, I have this like little I wonder if this is even like interesting to anybody, because now I'm talking to you guys about like my dental hygiene, but this is truly what's in my bag. I have this little hook that helps me like pull out my trays, just because, you know, like when I'm out in public, I don't really want to be sticking my fingers in my mouth. I have like a star lip product that's like my new favorite every single year, and this is my new favorite of this year. It's the Lano Lips Lano Stick. You know, I have eczema, eternally chapped lips, so I always need to carry like lip products with me. That's like my number one concern when I'm out. Like, do I have my chapstick on me? Otherwise, I will wither away and disappear into a pile of dust. And also, my phone! I like to think that my phone is always my final accessory of my outfit. So my phone case always has to match my outfit. This is my precious baby Xiao pop socket. I got it from No Arts, and she is so sweet. She's such a nice person. And then my little phone straps, it's Xiaother because Xiaother supremacy. These were a birthday present from my friend Coley from Coley Does Things, so thank you so much, Coley. And the final thing in this baggie, again, because this is like my casual skateboarding bag, in the little pochette over here, I have like a little tiny emergency stash of basically like first aid stuff. The amount of times that I have been skateboarding with friends and they just really like wreck their shit, or I wreck my shit, has been, you know, pretty common. And so, you know, I've learned that someone at all times just needs to carry band-aids. And the last thing that I like to carry in my big bag is actually a book. And look, a full book fits in this bag. This is Marie Kondo's book, The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up. I'm almost done reading it, and I highly recommend it. The things that I've learned from this book, such as keeping things that, you know, like make you happy, is not just about cleaning. It's also sort of like reworking my perspective about myself and my life, and it's kind of teaching me to slow down and actually check in with myself and ask, like, is this what you want? What do you actually want to do? I've been switching out between different books in this bag, and this book I can't even show you guys, but it's a dirty manga. And if anyone's curious about my upcoming reads, these are all recommendations from people very important to me. I have On Earth We're Briefly Gorgeous, a novel by Ocean Vuong. And I also have A Curious History of Sex by Kate Lister, and The Ethical Slut by Janet Hardy and Dossie Easton. Yeah, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys again next week.